Radhe. Start karo. Radhe Radhe. So we are in Barsana. Still in Barsana. So this mandir is called Radha Dan Bihari Ji Mandir. So Dan means Dan Patra, donation or tax. So this mandir is connected. The deity or murti of this mandir is connected to the tax collector Leela. No? Okay, remember the past time? Krishna, he always play tricks and prank with the gopis. He disguised as tax collector. So one day, when the gopis are passing by here and down the hill, so Krishna and the choir boys, they block the path of Radharani and the gopis. The gopis, they are carrying butter, yogurt, milk, and other sweets. You know, for the pretense of selling yogurt and other sweet products or milk products, because they always wanted to somehow they might meet Krishna. So that is their intention. But they pretend that they will going to sell their products. So Krishna and all the choir boys, they block the path of Radharani and they stop them. Oops! Who gave you permission to pass by here? I am the minister. The king sent me here for tax collection. So you have to pay tax before you pass by. Then Lalita said, why are you going to pay tax? We are passing by here every day. Nobody is charging us, and now suddenly you wanted to charge us. Yes, because you are selling yogurt, butter, milk, and other sweets, and you're not paying taxes. Now is the time you should pay tax, or else we will not allow you to pass by. So in this way, the Gopas, the choir boys, and Krishna, they always harass and bully. They bully the Radharani and the gopis. So what is our tax? Then Krishna said, give us the yogurt, give us the butter, and give us our sweets, then we will allow you to pass by. So they don't have any choice. So they gave Krishna and all the choir boys whatever products they have. So they gave them butter, sweets, yogurt, buttermilk, and the choir boys started feasting. So they were all very happy, especially Madhu Mangal. He ate so much. You know, this Madhu Mangal is a Brahmin, but he likes to eat sweets. Then the gopis and Radharani, they became so fed up the way they were being treated and being bullied by Krishna. So they have a big meeting. Radharani called them like a big assembly. So they are planning something. They planned something. So the following day is just a normal day. So again, the gopis pass by with their pots on their head containing yogurt, butter, and other milk products. Then again, Krishna and some choir boys, again they block the road. Nobody can pass here until you pay tax. Then Radharani, suddenly, she make a signal. No? Then she told Lalita. Then Lalita Saki suddenly, she clapped her hand. And out of nowhere, all the gopis came out from the bushes. They were hiding. Thousands and thousands of gopis. They surrounded the choir boys. And the choir boys, they are only few. Less than 10 or maybe something. Because they were not prepared. Then the choir boys, they start running. But the gopis, they caught them. Especially Madhu Mangal. So, they tied Madhu Mangal with this sika on the tree. And they called Krishna. Now, we're going to make you embarrassed because you are always bullying us. You are always trying to trick us. So, Radharani said, give me your flute. No, not yet. So, we will going to make you like a gopi. Huh? So, they gave Krishna the pot on his head. Then they dressed Krishna like gopi. They put sari and put some bangles. Huh? If you go again closer to the altar, you will see Krishna is wearing bangles and sari. He is not wearing dhoti. And he has bangles and ornaments. And Krishna doesn't hold a flute. He is not holding flute. So Radharani said, now, you are always collecting tax to us. Now you should pay tax with us. Because Radharani is the Vrindavan Iswari. She is the queen of Vrindavan. So you are the one who should pay tax. Your cows, they are always roaming around here. They are eating our grass. And you are always eating all the fruits. So now is the time to pay tax. And Krishna said, how can I pay you? I have nothing. Then Lalita, you should give your flute. Okay, this is my only possession. You take it. But that's why in the altar, Krishna is not holding any flute. He is wearing bangles. So they wanted to embarrass Krishna. And now, while Krishna was told, okay, now you hold this. So you can feel what we are feeling when you are always harassing us. So they put the yogurt pot on the head of Krishna. And Lalita Saki, she threw a stone on the pot, and the pot broke, and Krishna, no, all the yogurt was, Krishna's body was covered by all the yogurt, and all the gopis, they were laughing and laughing. So Krishna was embarrassed, and Madhu Mangal, he was hanging on the branch of the tree, and hey, let me get out of here, let me get it. Krishna said, please let him get out. Please untie him. He is a Brahman. You will offend a Brahman. He is not a court boy. So the Sakis, they untie Krishna, but Krishna was surrounded by all the Sakis. He cannot do anything. He was defeated by the Sakis. So Lalita said, now you should bow down and surrender to our Maharani, to Srimati Radharani. Then before then we will let you get away. We will untie you. Then Krishna submitted himself at the lotus feet of Srimati Radharani. And all the gopis, they were clapping. Radharani ki jai! Maharani ki jai! Krishna commemorates, no? When they on that pastime of tax collecting pastime. That's why they call this Dan Bihari. Dan, tax. Krishna gave Jai Ho, Radhe Radhe, Radhe Radhe. Radhe Radhe. Okay. That's the pastime. Ito na ako ba? Baka yung ano, yung Prabhupada. Saan na picture niya? Pero tignan niyo, lapitan niyo ulit. Akin na, sabi natin. Walang flute. Jai Radhe Radhe. Radhe Radhe.